Thukuru-ini wa guthomithia makurutu ya borithi wa Kiganjo ni kwa minista wa ugitiri wa thiini wa bururi Kipchumba Murkomen augite thirikari ikuhuthira makurutu aya a rurira rwa Gen Z ng'ethanira na imaramari ici kuna aingi ni arika riao na githomo kiria mathomete kirakuruhania utaramu na ugi wa kiri wa AI utaramu wa watho na tharikira cia itoi na uguo ni makuhota kuhurana na mibango ya aruna ao.
There is a aging population in the National Police Service that are waiting for energetic, innovative, hard-working young police officers to come with new energy, new ideas and passion to come and resolve the challenges that we are facing out there. With the kind of energy you have, I don't think our goons watakuwa na mahali pa kusurvive.
Ndeto nĩ yũkĩte o rĩrĩa atongoria a mũng'ethanĩro makoretwo makĩrota thirikari makiuga nĩyo ĩkoretwo ĩgĩbanga nyanake gũthararia mĩcemanio yao.
Juzi tu kidogo, and I want to thank the IG, tuliambiwa kumekuwa na challenges ya goons pale Kitale, pale Kisumu, na tukatuma tu ofisa kidogo wakaenda pale Kitale, wakaenda pale Kisumu. Wale the same politicians who are accusing government of having goods or supporting goods saizi wanalia kabisa.
Hamwe na ugo Murkomen akiuga thukuru wa kothi cia moko wa Kiganjo ugukorwo ukihambio ngathi nginyagia gikiro kia university kwetukira mogaruruku wa mutaratara wa mathomo ma borithi maria momanite na cikaro iria matabanagia cia thayo majukua la usalama.
And we think that it is now time that we upgrade. During that policy, we must upgrade this institution from just a mere training college and to become a police university.
Inspector General wa borithi Douglas Kanja akiuga githomo gia borithi ni kigacirithitio na makiria kuhetukira kuhingurwo gwa thukuru wa mathomo wa makurutu mwena wa Meru.
This legal training is intended to equip the recruits with a full range of knowledge, skills, attitude, and character that is necessary to prepare them for the duties and responsibilities of a police officer.
Makurutu aya matanyetwo kurikia mathomo mao ihindini ria mieri 3 yukite na maguteithia kuibaibia namba ya maafitha a borithi bururi-ini kuona gukoretwo na unyihu wao kuona gutikoretwo na woyani wa borithi bururi-ini kwa ihinda. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV kuma kaunti ya Nyeri, Njeta Theuri wa Bogo.